I've been meaning to make a video about this for the longest time. This is my very old air compressor. This was given to me by my boss. His father was a engineer for Lockheed Martin, and he had all kinds of crazy tools he was getting rid of, and this was one of them. I'm not exactly sure of what brand this is. It looks similar to something Montgomery Ward sold. If anyone can give me any information, that'd be great. It's very unique. I've seen the air compressor pumps like this before, or compressors. I've never seen one in this configuration before, because it's got like a handle and 3 wheels. The thing weighs a ton too. This weighs at least 90 pounds. Yeah. Can't lift that with the camera. It's got this huge General Electric motor. This is what actually drew me to this. It was just this ancient motor. Very cool. Things run by a flywheel connected to the piston in there. It's run with a old V automotive belt. You can actually I don't know what direction this spins. Okay. Has no holding tank either, which is the odd part. This is the entire holding tank right here, and it's not very large at all. I have it configured right now to fit modern air attachments. Currently I have it configured as a sprayer, duster type thing. I've got all kinds of attachments. I got paint sprayers, and we have nail guns and stuff, but we have a real compressor for that stuff. I mostly use this to fill up car tires and whatnot. It does a real good job. You can also pump up like pool toys and stuff, and that's pretty good. Fill up rafts in like 15 seconds. It's amazing. Just one of the new things on this is this gauge. It's not old. Just a screw on. You can purchase these at hardware stores. Sears has them. And it's an oil compressor too, so it has this leveling device, which I'm not going to show you because I'm holding the camera right now, but it's got different levels, and it'll adjust it if you're on a grade so the thing won't bang. It's very interesting. If anyone knows anything about this, I'd be very interested. I installed this light switch up here with a 2 like air conditioning straps. Yeah, I got all kinds of chemicals and stuff over there I need to get rid of. Just a standard brown, like 49-cent light switch I got at Sears in the metal box. It's not the best way of doing it, but just got box connections. I guess, I mean, originally it just had the cord, and you'd plug that in and the thing would start running, and you'd have to run and unplug the cord before the thing blew the hose off the side, because there's no safety shut off either. It just keeps on running until the hose will explode or just blow off the side. It's got a nice handle. It's very cool too. It's got the bleeder attachment over here. Actually not. Where is that? Bleeder's down there. It's very cool. It's one of the things I want to put in my garage when I get my own house. If anyone knows how to service these, that'd be good too. It's very dangerous. I put this down to show you how much pressure it can put out through this little nozzle thing. Show you the gauge first too.